Racing our GT3 cars tonight at Silverstone, out in the UK, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello once again, race fans. Are you ready for another exciting week down here at Monster Hobbies, racing our GT3 cars? Well, if you do, you're in luck, because tonight we're racing at Silverstone out in the UK, a very special track. And if you want to see us build that track, I will be more than happy to show you how to do it on our Patreon page. So just follow the link down below, click on it, and away you go. And speaking of cool things, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that every time we make another one of these great videos, you are the first one to know about it. So now, without further ado, let's go down and see how our race went last night at Silverstone. Okay. Here we go in Silverstone.
I don't have any left. Well, let me get a couple boxes right now. I'm going to be wondering why my car stopped for so long.
Got a room with a little
Oh, put me behind the dog.
I need to. Oh, here. There.
Thank you. Now you guys need some catching up.
So it's me, Howard, and Kevin. That's a police car. Racing the night away. Oh, nice. That would have been awesome. So 5-3-1. Kevin, Howard, and myself. Get the accident. 2-minute mark, 3-minute mark, sorry. Laps, 5-3-1. We need Dale back. Shout out these numbers. Yeah. I anticipated a crash and run on the station. Howard again is getting a workout. Goes at the wrong end of the pocket. Oh. wasn't that a great race? So for Silverstone, I got 43 points. Josh sadly was not there and is much missed. Howard got 61 points and Kevin got 48. Good racing, guys. And now we're looking at our standings. I'm in first place with 208. Josh is in second with 162. Howard is in fourth with 153. And Kevin is in third with 161. One more point away and Kevin will take it away from Josh. Well, we want to thank you for watching this video and enjoying the racing. Next week we'll be in Misano, Italy, a whole new track and something really cool to check out. But if you want to build this track, don't forget to check it out on Patreon, and I'll leave the link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, and let's try to get it up to 100 likes. I can't do that on my own. I need your help to do it. And what else can I tell you? Hey, check out our website, www.monster-hobbies.ca. We have slot cars there, and we can ship worldwide. That's right to your house. Now I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our existing patrons for all your support that you've been doing over the last couple of months. And if you would like to become a patron to our channel, check us out on Patreon with the link down below, where you can become a supporter for as little as $1, which is much appreciated, and thank you very much. And until next time, guys, happy racing.